How to add multiple photos in Instagram story. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can actually add multiple photos to your Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are many ways to add multiple photos to Instagram story. One is by simply using a layout feature from Instagram by tapping the your story option and then selecting all these options over here, right? So you can select the camera option, you can choose this option called the layout, and from the layout tab you'll see a couple of layout that you can use. So depending upon which layout you want to use over here, you can simply select that in this case. Now once you've done that, you can see 4 type of layers where you can choose to add a photo to each of these layers separately, as you'll be able to find. Now the only downside of this kind of thing is that you will not be able to actually select what kind of position you want to maybe upload it or something like that. You'll only able to add them together. Now this is one way to do it. If this is enough for you, that's perfectly fine, right? But if this is not enough, then you want to add properly, then you can tap on your story, select any random picture here, doesn't really matter. So just select any random picture, we will convert this to background. Tap the 3 dots option and tap on draw. Select the color that you want to use for your background. So if I select this color, after you select that, long press on it to actually enable the background color and hit the arrow button to save it. Now to add multiple pictures, tap on the sticker icon there, then look for this little photos thing over here, tap on photos, then add the photo that you want to. Now you can pinch in and pinch out, again tap on the sticker icon, again tap on photo. There is really no limit to how many you can add over here. You can just add as much as you want. You can even tap on it to actually change the shape and size depending upon what kind of pictures you want to add. So this way you'll be able to add multiple pictures on Instagram via 2 ways. One is by layout, the other is by using a sticker. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.